Cool. Let's add a new group. We call it navigation. And then we'll add the menu inside of it. Our menu will be a gallery card because you can add multiple items horizontally to each other, and you can add images. First, let's add our Rocket News content. This way, users will be able to manually browse the feed without the need to subscribe. Let's add an emoji again. And then let's link a button to our Rocket News blog. Cool. Let's also upload an image. Images make a bot look way more appealing, so I recommend you to add them whenever possible. Cool. Now let's test our chatbot. Here we go. As you can see, we're getting the welcome message, as test your bot will always make your bot think that you're a new user. Let's try it. Yes, please, I would like the news. Awesome. You can also choose maybe later. And here we go. The menu is not accessible yet, but we will add it in the next video.